Hello and welcome to another WordPress tutorial. My name is Alek and in this one I will show you how to create anchor links in WordPress. When clicked, an anchor link takes you to a specific section on a page. These links are handy for creating a table of contents at the beginning of a longer post or article, enabling users to jump quickly to the sections they want to read. Like any hyperlink, or in other words, any link that you can click or tap, two components make an anchor link work. The first is the anchor link that will jump to the anchor element wherever it is on the page. This is why anchor links are also known as jump links. The second is the anchor element you wish to jump to on the page. Now that you know that, let me show you how I created the one I used in this example. I will click on Edit Post, and when this page opens, I will make the anchor link first. I will select the word WordPress, click this chain icon to make a link, and enter hashtag WordPress in this box. Before I click this curved icon to submit this link, I will copy WordPress without copying the hashtag. Next, I will scroll down where it says WordPress and click on it to open its heading block. In the right-hand column, under the block section, I will open the Advanced section, paste WordPress inside this HTML anchor box and save the changes. When I open the post to preview it and click this WordPress anchor link, it will jump to the WordPress subtitle, which was set as the anchor element. And this is how to create anchor links in WordPress. If you learned something new from this tutorial, please comment, like, or subscribe to this channel so we can stay in touch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following video.